Hello everyone, in front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper and Personalization and click on Wallpaper. Just select the picture that you like the most. You can also choose something from your local photos. I would like to apply, for example, this one, or you can just scroll to see how particular picture looks on your screen and then select your favorite one. Let me pick this one. Then click on apply and now decide if it's for both lock and home screen, just home, or just lock screen. I would like to pick both. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. From now on it is applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.